Hello everyone, in this video I'll be reviewing the ChocXO 90% dark chocolate almond butter cups. Got a little Reese cup here, ChocXO Simply Better Chocolate. So this is organic dark chocolate and it's 6% cocoa. For 2 cups we have 160 calories, 12 grams of fat, 11 grams of carbohydrate with 9 sugar and 2 fiber, and 3 grams of protein. Made in Canada with imported ingredients. Where is the ingredients? Oh, organic dark chocolate, organic almond butter, sugar, organic cocoa butter, organic white chocolate, and then all the ingredients inside that. Contain soy, almonds, milk, and may contain peanuts and other tree nuts. I'm going to get right into this. No it's almond butter cups, but they may contain peanuts. How about that? So, are they individually wrapped? Don't look it. Dark chocolate peanut butter cups. Can't go wrong with that. Or almond butter cups. Ooh. Mmm. That's really good. Usually, peanut butter cups are very sweet. Milk chocolate and peanut butter. Dark chocolate with almond butter. It's more bitter, different taste, but I really like it. It's unique. Mmm. Kind of melts in your mouth too. The only downside is there's only 2 of these. I just eat through that real quick. I'd easily one bite this if I could, but I won't. Like, fits in time. So entire mouth. So yeah. These little mini cups, dark chocolate, almond butter, pretty decent. Now, the almond butter doesn't have like too much taste to it, but it's kind of like peanut butter, just without like the strong peanut taste. Almonds have less of a strong taste. I like almond butter myself personally, but if you don't like almond butter, you'll probably still like these, because it feels like I could eat this, and if I didn't use almond butter, I would have assumed it was peanut butter. So, last bite there, all gone. Really good. I like that. Organic and only 9 grams of sugar. Cannot go wrong with that. So, the taste is dark chocolate, but it's not too strong of a dark chocolate. It still has like a nice chocolatey flavor to it. I think that pairs very well with the almond butter. It doesn't have a whole lot of taste. They blend together very well. I'm genuinely surprised by that. Like, looking at this packaging, I thought it was going to be good because it looks pretty cool. But after eating it, wow, it's really delicious. So I'm going to give the ChocXO 90 or 60% cocoa dark chocolate almond butter cups 8.5 out of 10. Genuinely surprised by this. I didn't think it was going to be this good. I actually would probably prefer that over regular Reese cups because I don't feel like kind of gross after eating these, whereas normal Reese cups I kind of do. So they have that nice benefit too. It's pretty cool. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I will see you in the next video.